तो सर ने लिटरली 17 मिनट्स निकालने हैं अपने, एंड मैंने उनका बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग खाया, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन भेजे थे, सारे के सारे आंसर करे उन्होंने। वीडियो स्किप बिल्कुल भी मत करना अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर जानने के लिए। सो गाइस, कैसे हैं सबके सब। आज की वीडियो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि एक कोलैबोरेशन वीडियो है मेरे सुपर सीनियर के साथ। ही वॉज फ्रॉम IHM मुंबई 2007 पास आउट, एंड अब वो कनाडा के अंदर सू शेफ़ हैं, एंड ही इज़ लिविंग देयर फॉर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 12 ईयर्स हो चुके हैं उनको कनाडा में रहते हुए। तो बेसिकली मेरा बैकग्राउंड भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी का ही है, एंड सर भी IHM बैकग्राउंड से ही है। बेसिकली हमने सेम डिग्री करी है, एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी से रिलेटेड या होटल मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो भी जिस बंदे के दिमाग में आते हैं, वो हमने कोशिश करी कि हम बिल्कुल इस वीडियो के अंदर सारे के सारे कवर कर दें। एंड दीपक भैया का जो इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल है वो आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिख रहा होगा, मेरा भी इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिख रहा होगा। एंड अगर तो आप दीपक भैया के चैनल से यहाँ पर आए हैं तो यार, मेरा नाम ऋषभ बब्बर है, एंड बेसिकली मैं अपनी जर्नी डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहा हूँ इंडिया से कनाडा जाने तक की। मेरे पास ऑफर लेटर है अभी जनवरी इनटेक के लिए, मैं डेफरमेंट करवा ली थी। तो जितने भी स्ट्रगल हो रहे हैं ना कोरोना के टाइम पे, वो सारे के सारे मैं डॉक्यूमेंट करने वाला हूँ। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना मेरे चैनल को भी इफ़ यू आर न्यू। सो इस वीडियो के अंदर बेसिकली हमने सारे के सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स कवर करे हैं। फूड प्रोडक्शन, हाउस कीपिंग, फ्रंट ऑफिस, F&B सर्विस, हर एक चीज़ कवर है। क्या प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है कौन से सेक्टर के, तो आपको इस वीडियो के अंदर सारी की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। अब दीपक भैया आपको व्लॉग में दिखेंगे अपने, एंड ही हैज़ डन ट्रेमेंडस एफर्ट्स। हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब हिम। लाइक इतने डाउन टू अर्थ बंदे हैं, अपने से छोटे सब्सक्राइबर वाले लड़के के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं। आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि ही इज़ अप्रिशिएटिंग स्मॉल यूट्यूबर्स, एंड साथ दे रहे हैं वो इस जर्नी में, एंड टुगेदर वी कैन हेल्प एवरीवन। तो हाँ यार, ऑल्सो एडिंग ऑन, सर अपने चैनल पे लाइव आते रहते हैं, ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना उनके चैनल को। तो बेसिकली जितने भी आपके क्वेश्चंस होंगे आप उस लाइव सेशन में पूछ लेना, वो आंसर कर देते हैं हर एक क्वेश्चन को। तो उनका चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल का लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा आपको, एंड स्क्रीन के ऊपर भी आपको दिख ही रहे हैं हैंडल्स हमारे। तो इस वीडियो का जो लाइक एम है वो मैं 100 लाइक्स का रखूँगा। प्लीज़ पहले लाइक कर दीजिए आप वीडियो को, एंड जितने भी IHM के बच्चे हैं खास करके मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को अपने कॉलेज ग्रुप्स में शेयर कर देना। एंड जो भी प्लान कर रहे हो बाहर जाने का, वो ये वीडियो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगी। तो आई वॉन्ट एवरीवन टू शेयर दिस वीडियो अपने कॉलेज ग्रुप्स में, प्लीज़ भेज देना। तो अब आप वीडियो के अंदर दीपक सर को देखेंगे।
Hello guys, so today I have been given an opportunity by Mission Canada. He basically runs a channel where he talks about every question that hospitality and all these other colleges have, because this guy's already done a lot of research, and so he's helping out a lot of students, so make sure you watch his videos as well. So I'm actually a chef. I'm an IHM Mumbai graduate, 2007 batch. I've been here in Canada for almost 12 years, and I'm running this channel called Mostly Moto Vlogs. We're also doing the same thing. I'm talking mostly about my journey in Canada and any queries people have regarding Canada, और जितनी मेरे से help हो सकती है students की, I'm doing all that for now. And then I also do moto vlogs and show a little bit of Canada here and there, especially Toronto. So George Brown College alumni, and I'd recommend George Brown College to everybody because of the lifestyle and the location of the college. I'll talk more about it on my motorbike, and let's get to it. Oh, thank you. So guys, आज Mission Canada, Mr. Rishabh Babbar have connected with me. Like, I know him for a while now. He's doing a great job actually, great kid. He's been talking about issues that he's facing in his journey to Canada from India. तो अपन लोग बात करेंगे कि पहली बात तो मेरे बारे में बता देता हूँ। मेरा नाम दीपक है। I have been here for 12 years almost. I was an alumni for IHM Mumbai, 2007 batch graduate. Also after that I did a 16-month course which was partly in India and partly in Canada. 8 months in Canada, 8 months in India, and just because of that I basically ended up doing a 1-year course in Canada. So the 8 months in India didn't really count when it came to postgraduate work permit. So I ended up with only a 1-year work permit, which I'm not gonna get into details about how hard it was to get my PR and everything, but I will just let you know that
1 year of work permit is not enough for you to land a PR. So that's why if you are planning to come to Canada, make sure you do a 2-year program at least. Advanced diploma doesn't matter. If you're coming after bachelor, at least minimum आपका होना चाहिए 2 year of program. At least you get 3 years of work permit. उसके बीच में you can decide, you know, there are different ways to get a PR, and you know, you can move to a different province, you can do a lot of things. So okay, let's get into the first question that he asked me is why did I choose this course, and how and what is the scope of hospitality in Canada. So why did I choose this course? I actually didn't choose this course. I was actually planning to go to US under a J1V visa or a J1 visa, which is like a paid internship for Marriott. And मैं वहाँ जाने वाला था, but plans changed and situation happened, and I was not eligible for that because I already had like a little bit of work gap after my graduation, which I think was a fake news. But you know, some agents don't want to take time to fix all that, you know, issues. They want people who are ready to go kind of thing, you know, ज़्यादा उनको मेहनत ना करने पड़े. So agents, कुछ agents बहुत वो होते हैं, अपने बारे में सोचते हैं. Hey, so why I'm doing this via Motovlog, because that's my thing, that's my channel. I also run a channel called Mostly Motovlogs, and you can check me out on YouTube. My Insta handle is Eat, Lift, Ride, Repeat. And so I've been riding a bike in Canada for a long time. Like before I even had a car, from the beginning I had a motorbike, because you know, I was biker from heart. So I'm a पहाड़ों से हूँ, तो biking is in my blood. So yeah, okay, get to the topic. So I ended up doing a 1-year course with a 1-year work permit, and it took me a lot of time and a lot of, you know, running around and getting people to sponsor me and all that stuff. So it was a challenge for me. So I don't want you guys to face the same challenge. So make sure you do a 2-year program, and if you are coming after 12th, do an advanced diploma or advanced degree, or you'll have to do another 1-year program just to make your points enough for your PR, because end goal तो सबका PR ही होता है. You know, people might say a ton of things, and you know, just be real with you know, just be real. So apart from that, cooking के बारे में पहले बात करेंगे. Culinary, because I'm from a culinary background, and I am a sous chef currently working for Easton's group of hotels currently. So I'll talk about the industry यहाँ पे different है as compared to India. I'm gonna just talk about culinary for now, and then we'll get into the other departments as well. So the only difference is यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम नहीं होते. जैसे इंडिया में मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होता है, कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट होता है, वो सब यहाँ नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे यू बिल्ड योर ओन करियर. You can go any route. You can go like super loyal way, work with one company, work your ass off. But the only problem with PR, with the temporary residence, which is you after you get your since the beginning, I guess, since the beginning until you get your PR, you guys come under temporary residence or work permit holders or study permit holders basically. So आपका कोई status नहीं होता कनाडा में, तो there's a very less flexibility in terms of moving around and working into different companies. So that is one issue. So you really have to be very mindful when you choose your employer for your PR, you know, but cooking में the best benefit is all cooking jobs, most cooking jobs come under NOC B. And usually if you are coming after graduation, and if you do a 2-year program, diploma, degree, कुछ भी, and you do a 1 year of work experience, you are eligible for a PR, you know. So that is the best thing about being a cook in Canada. क्योंकि इंडिया में तो you know, you do 16 hours, 12 to 16 hours minimum, 6 days a week, और उसके ऊपर भी पैसा मतलब 15,000 रुपये, 20,000 रुपये, 10,000 रुपये. That's the kind of salary you are getting right now. And work-life balance is way off in India, you know. छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है, and it's very hard to survive, you know. अगर तुम survive नहीं कर पाओगे तो career कैसे बनाओगे? तो unless your dad and mom are loaded, and you know, they open your restaurant right after you graduate. So that's another story. That is great. If you have that kind of support, and you know a bunch of chefs, and we are well connected in the industry, you could make it in India. And India का एक ही benefit बहुत अच्छा है, जो अगर if you graduate and you end up getting a management training program which fast tracks your career, you know. India में अगर if you don't get that management training program, it's very hard to progress up, क्योंकि politics होती है, all that stuff. even in management training there is politics, you know. It's hard to survive all this. A lot of my actually friends actually dropped out from OCLD and all that, you know. They couldn't do it, they couldn't deal with the whole stress and everything. So यार ये क्या कर दिया मैंने. So anyways, so that's that. And the rest of the department, front desk, F&B service, and what do you call it, housekeeping, those departments, the scope is great. There is a lot of jobs, but the only hassle when it comes to PR, you need a supervisory position for these work areas, work departments. So what happens is, either you are amazing at your work, you know, or what you do is you go to a smaller property, you work in a smaller hotel or a restaurant or something like that, and get yourself that supervisory position. So once you have the supervisory position, same deal, 1 year of work permit, work experience as a supervisor, and you get your eligibility for your PR. क्योंकि एंड गोल सबका PR ही रहता है, चाहे कोई कुछ भी बोले, एंड गोल सबका PR रहता है. Alberta, Banff, Fairmont, Lake Louise, these places will give you a supervisory position better before anybody else in Canada. So a lot of people move. So yeah, this is the chef cooking studio kind of thing. This is where you cook in George Brown. ये side entrance से ले आ रहा हूँ मैं आपको, यहाँ से मैं आता था. So you can see from here also. This is all the pots and pans, and it's all brand new. When I came here, I was the first batch to use this. 2008 में. It just renovated. So I'm just taking you from the back side of the George Brown, and classes and all are on the second floor, and demo classes are on the second floor. This is just the side. Apart from cooking, if you are part of housekeeping या फिर front desk, you might want to go check out all these resort properties in Banff, Lake Louise, Alberta, anything that is isolated, Muskoka. Over there, what they can do is, if you can convince your HR or your managers that say, hey, I want this, I want to apply for my PR and I need this position. So they can, because they are in desperate need of workers. So sometimes if they like you, they will hook you up with the position, and you might be able to apply for a PR. So that's about it. Hospitality का ये scope है. Salary and which department is the best out of hospitality. देखो भाई, कोई department best या worst नहीं है. It's all up to your how you fit into that department. If you are somebody who cannot cook to save his life, his or her life, you cannot survive in kitchen. And if you're somebody who cannot make a bed properly, you cannot survive in housekeeping. And if you're somebody who cannot face people and who is introverted, will never survive in front office or F&B. So these are the trades, and you have to really think for yourself where you see yourself working. Imagine yourself working in a department, and if honestly at the end of the day, when you go to the top level, the salary is pretty much the same. Only thing is the challenges are different. So I'm just gonna park my bike and we'll talk more about, because I have more questions that he gave me. Let me just go to other side. So this is the St. James A building, this is the B building, hospitality. And यहाँ पे मैं park करूँगा. Bikes की parking is free in downtown. Let's park here. This is the main entrance for St. James campus. This is also George Brown. I think this is a new building. और ये गैबीज पे हम लोग दारू पिया करते थे जब when we were going to George Brown. ठीक है भाई लोगों. Okay, let me take you around. So the next question. So this is George Brown College, as you can see. I'll take you to the hospitality building. So यहाँ पे I'm gonna give you a little tour of George Brown. So this is campus A building. This has IBM, BBA, nursing, all kinds of random courses. This is a bookstore entrance. So यहाँ पे bookstore है, and इसके just पीछे जाके library है. So this is a cycle stand. यहाँ पे अपनी cycle आप कर सकते हो. So I'm just giving you a tour of George Brown. So this is another entrance. From here you can go directly into this. यहाँ पे parking होती है. Parking is expensive. That's the old side of the George Brown, वो जिसमें घड़ी बनी हुई है, वो clock type का. So overall, after all our discussion, best industry would be cooking, obviously, because her cook is a NOC B,
So you'll end up getting a nice eligibility for your PR right away, you know, as soon as you start working or after 1 year of work experience. So that's it. I think I've covered pretty much all your questions and answers. 1+1 course लेना चाहिए कि नहीं लेना चाहिए if you're not getting a 2-year course. Of course you have to take a 1+1 or 2-year course, either or, you know. और उसमें कोई difference नहीं है ज़्यादा. You can do 1-year course in Humber and one year course in George Brown. So you can switch colleges also, and which is quite normal. A lot of people do that bridging course because just to get enough work permit for you to stay in Canada. Otherwise, तुम्हारे points नहीं बनेंगे तो फ़ायदा सारा all your what do you call it? All your money will be gone to waste. If you were coming here for 1-year course, I would rather say just stay in India. You know, don't come here. It's just a waste of money. So this is the George Brown Chef School main campus. I think it's closed right now. Yeah, so I'll show you. So this is the main entrance for Chef School. Chef School Hospitality Building. यहाँ पर side में library है. And यहीं पे. The last thing, a golden tip from me would be, you know, hospitality industry is working against the clock. So you wanna stay healthy. You wanna basically schedule your basically use your time very wisely. Don't just go waste your time, man. Because hospitality में Canadians, you'll find Canadians who are outgoing and वो लोग party करेंगे, and तुम लोग को ये याद रखना है कि you are not them. You are not in their shoes. Just you know, you're on a different mission here. So obviously I'm not saying just stop having fun or anything. Have fun, but you know, मात्रा का ध्यान रखें. So don't just go out, go crazy every night, you know. Don't look for fun every night. That's one of the biggest mistakes that I made. I was looking for fun every night कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा, आज कुछ हो नहीं रहा. Because we were in Canada, okay, Canada में हर दिन amazing होना चाहिए. That's not gonna happen. If you keep following your missions, if you keep doing what you need to do, it'll be fun also at the same time. You know, you'll make money. You know, just stay on track kind of thing. You know, it's really easy to slip off the tracks and, you know, get into bad company and, you know, develop bad habits. So apart from that, another best tip I can give you is save a lot of money. Save whatever you can, because just in case things don't work out for you and if you have to go home, at least you'll have that money, you know, to fall back on. And second thing will be that money also can be used into moving costs. Say you have to move provinces, you have to hire a lawyer, all that stuff. So you need that financial support, you know. You need that money for doing anything basically after you graduate. You might have to move apartments. So save your money. Don't invest in stupid shit. Don't buy stupid things that you don't need. Until you're a PR, stay minimalistically. Stay within your means, and basically your life you should be able to pack your life in 2 suitcases and you can just walk off, bounce, you know. And I think that's about it. I've covered everything today. Thank you guys for coming on this journey. I'll talk more about some things, and follow my channel, actually, mostly motovlogs. I've actually done a video on this. It's called Every Question Ever Asked by International Students. So make sure you check that video out. And yeah, follow Rishabh Babbar, Mission Canada. He's doing an amazing job. He's a great kid. He's done a lot of research for you guys, you know. So, and subscribe to him so he can continue making these videos. And I really encourage all of you guys, if you can help, you know, we're trying to help you. You can pay this forward somehow, like someday, you know. Not today, not now, but like someday. Because I found some like guardian angels, I would say, you know, some of my friends, some of my actually one person. So he really helped me out, and he kind of started this whole thing like way back. So I didn't know this is gonna lead to me starting a YouTube channel helping other people, but it did.
यहाँ पे सारे बाइकर्स एक दूसरे को वेव करते हैं. सर जी पुलिस